Hi friends, welcome back to my channel again. So in this video we will discuss about how to use Salesforce Workbench. So in my previous video I have shown you how you can use data loader IO, and in this video we will talk about Salesforce Workbench. So both does similar functionality, but I think Salesforce Workbench can do more than what Salesforce data loader IO can do. So let's try to understand what exactly this Salesforce Workbench is. So basically, Salesforce Workbench is a web-based utility that gives you direct access to Salesforce APIs. It's perfect for tasks like bulk updates, exporting data, importing data, and many more. And the best part is it's free and doesn't require installation. So I will show you how we can use it, but this is a good definition. It primarily used for data related activities. In my experience I have used for that, but I know it can do more, but didn't got any opportunity to use that use cases. And let's understand a use case. Sorry, it should be different. Workbench in Salesforce. So let's understand the scenario. Your marketing team just completed a campaign and needs to update the titles of thousands of leads, and it is manually. It's a nightmare, right? But with the Workbench we can do it easily in a minutes. So if you watch my previous video, right, I have shared some data. I mean I have shown you some data how we have updated maybe 99 leads, and we will update the titles for them in short in some time. Okay, now let's open the Salesforce org, and now open the Salesforce log, Salesforce org, and then we can do from that. Let me click on here. Let me do it. So we are going to create an SOP as well parallelly, so this can be used. Just click on login. It is logged in, and go here, click on hands on org. We are going to use developer edition for this. Now we are going to do Salesforce Workbench. Okay, so this is it. It is not a Salesforce product, but you can use it reliably. This is the API version. Login with Salesforce. It will ask you to provide the access, like access the identity URL, manage user data via web browsers, manage user data via APIs. Allow. So if you see here, right, you can you have lot of information like standard and custom objects, metadata type, session information, queries, data, migration, utilities. You can do a single record update, and you can use a file as well. For now, let's go to write a query, SOQL query. So in this scenario, what we would be doing is we are going to update the leads that doesn't have titles. Okay, now let me go here, lead, and everything. So I'm going to select everything. Just we need to remove the account. A query has been created already. Then click on query. You see we have 123 total records, and we have more than enough data here. And now let's put a condition here where title is not equal to no, title equals blank. Let's do this. Null null. You see now we got 100 records. Earlier it used to be different. And yeah, you have the field API names as well. Just what you can do is to upload, just click on bulk CSV and then query again. No matter if you have millions of records, it will do. Fail to process, functionality not available, selecting compound data not supported. So compound data is nothing but address. So let me run that again. Where is address? We just need to remove the address. So address is a compound data field because address contains city, country, and all the details, right? It is a compound field. Let us do it again. I think this time it should work. Basically, yeah, it worked. We were able to process 100 records, and this is the file we are going to download. We got it, but let's go back to again this bulk CSV. Okay, it should create a CSV file. Okay, let's try to do it here, right? Import, sorry, sheets, G sheets, sheets, sheets. Okay, let me add this as a bookmark. Let's do this. Import, upload, browse, downloads. This is the text field. Open. Um, mm, mm, Replace spreadsheet. Replace current sheet. Import data. Uh, uh, uh. Why we are missing it? Ideally, it is not something expected. Okay, only query has been exported. Oh, it is batch request. And sorry, this is something I need to click on. Yeah, now we will get the details. Import, upload, CSV, open, replace current sheet, import data. If you see, we know how, I mean, who created it, what is the status, what is the company name, um, everything, right? So let's go and understand about titles. Uh, 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 TITLE, title. Where is it? Title. Okay. This is the field. Now we are going to update. Manager, engineer, officer, data ops analyst, sales ops analyst. I'm just giving randomly. Just do it again. Okay, for all of them, it has been updated now. We have the ID. I'm just looking at the ID. It is created by ID. Owner ID created by owner. So we can change the owner as well. Where is record ID? Yeah, this is the record ID. This is the primary key, guys. So you need to make sure you have this ID field. Without ID field, we cannot do anything. And one more scenario, what I would be doing is I will change the owner ID as well. For example, this is my user ID here. Let me show you what I mean. users, users, and then open link, no, this one, open link. So this is my ID. Um, mm, Give me a second. Let me show you. Okay, you see, this is my ID. This should be somewhere here. YAK4C1. You see, this is the ID I'm talking about. Let's try to change this owner ID as well. For that, we need to create another user. Basically, what I will do is I'm going to click on here, get back to users, and let me create another admin user profile. Um, okay. Um, Role would be CEO, Salesforce license, and system admin access. So the reason why I'm giving system admin access is because I don't want to receive any error messages. That's the reason. Duplicate username. Okay, so one I have added. So the earlier we got an error, right? Username should be unique in any of the organizations. You can have similar email address. Okay. Now we got another user called Mary Johnson. So this is the ID of this user. Let me copy it and paste it in few records, like maybe 50 or more. Okay, that's it. Now what I will be doing is I'm gonna no, what I will be doing is I'm gonna copy them, copy, copy. So I'm gonna add new lead CSV. Yeah, I think that's it. Let me download this file as download, and this should be CSV would be good. Okay, lead CSV. We got a file now. What I will be doing is I'm going to update them because we already have an ID from file, and lead CSV is the sheet, and click on next. Um, Map the Salesforce IDs, map fields, Salesforce field and CSV field. Everything is mapped. Process records asynchronously via bulk API. So if you select this, right, the records will update when the Salesforce has enough memory. If you do not select it, what it does is it will update instantly. But if there are any some big processes is running in the Salesforce, then you will be hit with an error. So for this case, right, I'm going to unselect this and I'm just going to click on confirm update. So if you see, we got one error and 99 success. Cannot reference convert lead. So what it says is I have converted a lead in my, I mean yesterday. So for that it is not updated. That's it. And this is the error message. Yeah, I think that's it. You can download the results as well if you want to see. but I think it is fine. Let me show you, right? Updated results, right? Let me add it here so that you would be having some idea. Um, Update results. I'm going to add it in this sheet only. If you see, the status is updated, it is success, and if you have a failure, this is it. So in real time, right, you'll get similar requests to update the data. So you can do this in this way, and then I think you can share this report with them to see the status, so that you can have some brief information, right? Now let's verify the data. So I'm gonna go here and I'm gonna navigate to sales app. Now I have leads here. You see, this my it is showing my leads because I have changed a few people, right? So that is the reason. If you see, we have updated the titles. In my previous video, there are no titles. So let's open this. Um, mm, let's clone this one. Create a new view. Lead view, all leads. All users can see this. I'm gonna go here. Select fields to display. Lead owner is something I want to add. Lead owner or owner first name. Done. Save. And then click on here. No, I just wanted to add some filters. Um, okay. Owner equals to remove all filters. Add filter. OWNER. Owner first name contains Mary as well. Add filter logic 1. Let's capture it again. 1 or 2 or 3. So this is a list view concept. I will try to create a separate video on that. Um, okay, only one, right? Add filter. No, this one remove. And this is something I'm going to save. And this is okay. One, add filter, again owner, OWNER. I will create another concept on this, but for now what I can do here is my leads created owner Mary Johnson. For Mary we got 31. For my team it got some. So I think that's it. You need to verify here. We came here, and earlier we don't had any title. Now we have a title here. Um, this is how you can use the workbench for your daily operations, and that's the workbench action. That's the workbench in action. And yeah, this tool will make your life easier. And if you found this video helpful, right, please do like, subscribe, and share this video. And also in the video description, right, I would be adding a blog link as well. Please go with that and share it with your friends as well. And thank you and have a great day, guys. See you soon in another video.